In 1922, during a tense diplomatic dinner in Paris, British diplomat Sir Arthur Hiccupson suddenly hiccuped loudly, causing a ripple of laughter. But why do hiccups happen? It's the diaphragm's sudden contraction, leading to a quick breath intake. This involuntary action once saved Sir Arthur from a political faux pas, as his unexpected hiccup interrupted a heated argument, diffusing tension. Could a simple bodily reflex alter history? Sir Arthur's hiccup became legendary, reminding us of the body's mysterious ways. Hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment to support us.